Evaluate 2x plus root of xy plus 3y over x plus root of xy minus y, where x and y are greater than 0. Root x times root x plus root y equals 3 root y times root x plus 5 root y. This is the given equation. Root x times root x equals x. Root x times root y equals root of xy. 3 root y times root x equals 3 times root of xy. 3 root y times 5 root y equals 15y. By rearranging the equation, we have x minus 15y equals 2 times root of xy. Now, square both sides of the equation. We have x squared minus 30xy plus 225y squared equals 4xy. By rearranging the equation, we have x squared minus 34xy plus 225y squared equals 0. The left-hand side of the equation can be factorized. So we can now write x minus 25y times x minus 9y equals 0. X equals 25y or x equals 9y. Verify x equals 25y in equation 1. The left-hand side equals root of 25y times root of 25y plus root y, which can be written as 5 root y times 5 root y plus root y equals 30y. The right-hand side equals 3 root y times root of 25y plus 5 root y, which can be written as 3 root y times 5 root y plus 5 root y equals 30y. Thus, x equals 25y satisfies the original equation. Verify x equals 9y in equation 1. The left-hand side equals root of 9y times root of 9y plus root y, which can be written as 3 root y times 3 root y plus root y equals 12y. The right-hand side equals 3 root y times root of 9y plus 5 root y, which can be written as 3 root y times 3 root y plus 5 root y equals 24y. Thus, x equals 9y doesn't satisfy the original equation and is discarded. Now, substitute x equals 25y in 2x plus root of xy plus 3y over x plus root of xy minus y, which can be written as 2 times 25y plus root of 25y times y plus 3y over 25y plus root of 25y times y minus y, which is equal to 50y plus 5y plus 3y over 25y plus 5y minus y, which is equal to 58y over 29y, which is equal to 2. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.